Tuesday edition, breakfast edition. We're at Gok Chop and we're going for brekkie.
Yes.
At, what are you getting? Pho. This is my first look at the new roads in the daytime. It's actually got like footpath, and it's something that I think's been missing here, because usually it was just road and then dirt and then the shops, and it was just nothing in between. But you've got a footpath. There's a drain. There's a drain. You didn't see the drain, but there's another one. Oh, that's very important.
I think this is good because without the footpath, when it rains, the dirt comes back into the road and then it damages the road again.
It just gets muddy and dusty, and there's a typical road down there. Here we are. This is the famous pho joint on Topple Road. It doesn't a road look spiffing. Look at that. Tarmac. No burnout marks yet. That's not good enough to do a burnout. As much as I love Camrys, horsepower is not one of their strengths. Ruggedness is though. This is the Honda Dream parking out the front, as you would expect. It's pretty packed.
Not this one.
Oh, not this one? Oh shit. Well, don't worry about this joint then. Looks pretty popular though. Scrap that. Here we are. This is the famous pho joint. Well, famous as in Srenik likes it.
I'm up like the chubby.
Okay. Oh, they've got some other bullshit. That's good. Well, after that, hey, this is packed. Different store. This is pretty busy. Most of the dishes are beef. No, not beef. Sorry, beef innards, pork mince, or fish. I'm going to go for beef on the bone, because that's what you do here. Everything's on the bone. With some flat noodles and bits and pieces. It's kind of a custom job, but I don't really feel like innards this early in the morning. Your dishes arrived. Can you explain what you are eating?
It's called special dish.
Special dish. And
Comes
what is
with everything they have in here.
Oh, it's like a super supreme or a pizza with a lot. Hamburger.
It's got beef.
Yeah.
Brain. Some slow cooked beef. Different part of beef. Slow cooked. Meatballs.
Yep.
Again, different part of beef.
It's that's beef bits. Yep. That's tripe.
Tripe, yeah.
Yep.
They ran out of the bone thing.
Ah.
The bone thing was the extra.
Lame.
I know. And it comes with vegetable. You just add like different basils.
Yep. Put it all in, why don't you?
And then some chili.
How much chili are you putting?
I don't know, some chili.
Some chili. Okay.
Look, Mr. Bang.
No, he's asleep.
Oh yeah, it comes with egg.
Oh wow, you get an egg with it as well. You got some gurchama.
And then you get some.
Oh, look, half the table is just condiments. This is the proper Cambodian restaurant.
Pickle.
Pickles, yep.
What else? More pickle. More chili.
Sugar. Fish sauce.
I think this one is the
Oyster sauce.
Bean sauce.
Bean sauce. Sweet chili over there. That's pepper. The hell. Do you have to shield for me how much pepper you're putting in? Is it a secret? And then you're going to mix it up?
Yes, but I need photo for my Instagram.
Ah, she's going to do a photo. Wow. Right, so here's mine. Kinal ordered me the beef with bones, but they gave me bonus beef with all of the bits. So, not a massive fan of liver. I don't like the texture, but there is other bits of
blood.
What?
That's blood.
That's blood?
Yeah.
Well, even less of a fan of that texture. Has been tried.
Fish.
Fish? Oh, they always put fish in. I've got nothing against fish. I do eat fish, but just not in everything. There's also tofu. Meatball. Go for your life. So I've just added some basil. I might add a bit of lime because it just seems to be the trendy thing to do here, is to put some lime in everything. Jeez, there wasn't much juice in that one. Poor bugger. And let's crack in. Srainek, what have you added to your soup? You've added sugar. What's this stuff?
Chili.
What is it?
Different type of chili.
Oh, just different type of chili. And what else did you put?
Bean sauce.
Bean
and
sauce.
Chili sauce.
And extra chili sauce. And what? You even made a dip as well, which consists of the same thing. So will you actually taste the soup, or just the things you've just added now? Yeah.
All of it.
All of it. She's happy. Sit rep, I've just added some sugar because I feel like this is like, you know, you put sugar on your cornflakes. This is my breakfast, so I'm putting a bit of sugar on, inspired by Srainek, and I've just added some sweet chili. Look, the flavour's okay. Look, I don't get excited about soup. People love the stuff, but for me, like, I'm not even a breakfast person, so this is just a meal. What are your thoughts? You like it? You're a fan? Would you recommend to people that like this sort of thing?
Yeah.
Very good. Righto. I finished a lot of that, albeit I didn't add a whole heap of stuff like the rest. As you can see, my broth is still relatively clear, whereas have a look at the broth of these ones here. It's like, how much soup would you like with your soup? Let's just add all the sauces. But that's what they love to do. It's like all the curries and soups and furs and things the Khmers have. Anyway, we've had it here. That's a Tasty Tuesday at this particular fur joint on Doppel Road. See you in another one.